Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see that if you have already added an application on your website and you just want to get rid of that, or you want to remove that app, how can we do it? First of all, just click on the Wix logo and choose the website wherever you want to remove it. And after that, let's say I want to choose this one. This is a template, so you can just create any website if you don't already have it. Now on the left hand side, you will find this apps and manage apps option, but you can just search for apps here as well if you're unsure where to go from here. So you will get the same option here directly as well. So just click on the manage apps and you will see that we move into the same area. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find that install Wix Business Solutions. We have a couple of forms and apps installed. So if you want to remove some of them, for example, this one, I will click on these three dots and click on delete. Now, if it shows you this message, this app has visual elements on your website, to delete it, go to the editor. After deleting, publish your site. So click on go to editor. Now I'm sure that I have deleted it, but let's just see. Now you will see this Wix app market will automatically open. And from here, just click on delete again. Just try to delete it. Now here it will ask you why you're deleting the app. So for example, I don't need it anymore, whatever, you can delete the app from here. So sometimes it confirms it twice and then now you are good to go. Now, as you can see, to make sure that it is completely deleted, click on add apps. And if we just search for the same app again, it will show you this free to install option, and inside it, it will show you this add to site and free to install option. So that is the surety that the app is successfully deleted.